In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SUMIFS-like measure in Power BI. If you've used Excel's SUMIFS, you already know how handy it is for summing values based on multiple conditions. In Power BI, we achieve the same result with a measure written in DAX, which makes your calculation dynamic and responsive to slicers, filters, and visuals across your report. Let's walk through the process clearly and efficiently. First, open your Microsoft Power BI app. Give it a moment to load your recent files and make sure you're in Power BI Desktop so you have access to the full modeling ribbon and DAX editor. Next, open your report. This should be the file that already contains the data model and tables you want to work with. If your data comes from multiple tables, confirm that the relationships are set up correctly because measures rely on those relationships to filter and aggregate accurately. Now, head to the Modeling tab at the top. This ribbon is where you create calculations like measures, calculated columns, and quick measures. It's the control center for anything DAX related. Within the modeling area, locate the section for measure tools. Depending on your version, you'll see options related to measures here. This is where you'll initiate and manage new measures, name them, and set their home table so they're easy to find later. Click New Measure. A formula bar will appear across the top. This is where you'll type your DAX. Give your measure a clear descriptive name so teammates understand what it returns, and consider assigning it to the table users naturally expect to find it in. Now, write your formula. To mimic SUMIFS, use calculate with sum plus one or more filter conditions. For example, you might write total sales for West bikes equals calculate of sum of sales amount, with region equals West and category equals bikes. That reads as total sales for West bikes equals gorsauers calculate sor sum sales amount. Sales region equal West, sales category, or bikes. Calculate changes the filter context. Sum adds up the numeric column, and each additional condition acts like another criterion in SUMIFS. For inequalities or more complex logic, wrap conditions in filter, such as calculate, sum, sales amount, filter sheets, sales, sales order date, sales date 2026-11 or 1, and sales order date, issue date 2026 for sales to 12/31. If you plan to let slicers control the criteria, you can omit hard-coded values and let the visuals filter context do the work. The measure will respond automatically. A quick tip: use variables for readability on longer measures, and always verify that the columns you reference are correctly typed and related. That's it. You've created a SUMIFS-like measure in Power BI, ready to use across your visuals and driven by the report's filter context.